If one day you hear a sound like this in your home, know that you're in danger. What I'm about to tell you will send shivers down your spine. A few days ago, a terrifying video went viral on the internet. A woman was sitting with her children, watching something together. At that moment, a strange sound came from inside the house. At first, she ignored it. But then, the sound came again. This time it was deeper, more threatening. She walked over to the door to check, and when she opened it, there was a creature standing there. One that didn't look human. Now, I'm going to show you that video. But first, who is your savior? If your savior is Jesus, like and subscribe immediately. Skip believes his savior is Satan. Share this video so everyone can see who your savior is, and leave a heart in the comments for it.